name is Kiana Pompa, Product Manager for BRAVIA Displays. Today we're at InfoComm 2026 showcasing our full product lineup. Behind me, this is our flagship P-Series models that we just released this year. We have our EZ20L series, which is our entry-level model, the 30P, 35P, and 40P respectively. We have this also on the inside of our booth if you'd like to know more details, but really the flat back design, you'll see the comparison here. We got that new sleek redesign, equal bezel. So we're really excited, and of course the picture quality that you know and love with Sony Pro displays. As we move down the line, we also have this 98-inch here, which is again a flagship model in line with the 40P series. This is around 780 nits of brightness at a large display format. On the right-hand side here, we have our crystal LED technology, and we have a full lineup of LED offerings, starting with our BH and CH flagship series. Biggest difference is this one's brightness, which will be anti-reflective. CH is contrast, which gives you great color reproduction. And the new for the 2026 is S series at 1.2 or 1.5 pixel pitch, which basically is the little brother to the CH and BH series. And if you're looking at more of a rental house virtual production direct view LED, we are looking at Capri and Verona. Again, two different offerings, two different pixel sizes, but this is going to be really easy for rental and staging. They kind of have a quick release installation on these models as well. The story continues to our cameras, so we have our broadcast level BRC AM7, SRG A12, and A40, and then brand new this year is the SRG AS10 or XS10 that you can also see deeper dive in the booth. And last but not least is our projector line, still true. This is old reliable. There's our flagship models, and they have an amazing warranty. So again, Sony is the only AV provider that can give you the full gamma of offerings, and if you'd like to know more, please visit pro.sony. Thank you.